Hello, we're here today to look at the Lawrence Hardware model LH8016. You'll immediately notice this is an extra heavy-duty constructed closer. It features a 1.5-inch piston, heat-treated spindles for longevity. It also has standard 4 valves. These valves include delayed action, back check, sweep, and latching. This extra heavy-duty closer is ideally suited for educational environment, secondary schools, universities, healthcare environments such as hospitals, long-term care facilities, and even busy doctors' offices. We would also strongly recommend this door closer for shopping center applications. Interestingly, shopping center doors can open up to 5,000 times a day. This would equal over 2 million annualized cycles. Any application where door control, extra heavy-duty functioning is required, this product is ideally suited for. Some people might ask, why cast iron? Cast iron has longevity and durability all over it. Cast iron has natural lubricating properties. It also has natural non-porous construction. This, as you can see, is an extra heavy-duty door closer. Let's look at some examples of structures built to stand the test of time. The Golden Gate Bridge, the CN Tower, the Empire State Building. These are all excellent examples of longevity built to last. This closer, similarly, being extra heavy-duty cast iron construction, will last years and years with trouble-free operation. The features of this door closer include adjustability, size 1 through 6, factory preset at number 3. The Lawrence Hardware LH8016 carries in the box a number of items. For example, the main arm is forged for longevity and strength. It comes tri-pack for top jam, regular mounting, and parallel arm application. It comes with a cover to increase or enhance the aesthetic value of the product. It's available in 4 standard finishes: aluminum as shown, Duranodic bronze, brass, as well as the newly added black finish. Contained also in the box would be your templates and comprehensive installation instructions. Standard with this product is also through bolts for difficult, durable applications. In the screw package, one would find metal screws, wood screws, the self-drilling and tapping screws, as well as the 5th hole spacer for your parallel arm applications. According to building code, all doors must close and latch. This can be facilitated by the use of the LH8016 extra heavy-duty cast iron construction door closer. The LH8016 is also available with metal covers in finishes that include satin stainless steel, bright chrome, and polished brass. The LH8016 has a number of arms available as options: hold open, spring cush, cushion stop, as well as a track arm. This door closer is also available with drop plates for top jam application, parallel arm application, and for use with other components on a door. The LH8016 is one of many different door closers in our lineup. This happens to be the cast iron Cadillac of our product offering. We also have door closers ideally suited for interior spaces as well as for suite entry doors in both vertical condominium markets as well as hotels. If you're a designer, architect, specification writer, commercial builder, you need to study this product in detail. This product will stand the test of time and reduce the cost of opening per cycle. The LH8016 not only protects life safety, but also security. Unlocked doors, unsecured doors can be an opportunity. LH8016 carries with it a 25-year warranty. This is some 2.5 times the warranty offered by other manufacturers in the field. Thank you.